Hey there, NCAPers. In today's episode of NCAP TV, we're not going to talk about carpet cleaning. We're going to talk about how you can pick up extra revenue using floor care pads for hard surface flooring using the Bonastre system. Stick around to find out more. If you're familiar with NCAP TV or Excellent Supply or Release It, you know that what we do here is all about encapsulation carpet cleaning. We were actually at the forefront of encapsulation and kind of brought it to the industry. Why? Well, it's just a much more efficient way to clean commercial carpet. That being said, if we're thinking about practicality and simplicity of working with something quicker and simpler, we did the exact same thing when we brought the Bonastre 3-pad system into our supply here at Excellent Supply. So how does it work? We start with the burgundy pad that you see here. So this is our first step. So when you're restoring a floor, you're going to use water, just with water. You're going to scrub the floor slowly, making several passes with this pad and wet vac it afterwards, get the solution off the floor. And the reason why you want to get the solution off the floor between each grit is you don't want to leave grit from one pad to the next because you might leave some behind. You want to get it cleared off so you can start over fresh with the next grit. After the burgundy, you move on to the yellow pad. That's step number 2. So in other words, we're taking our floor from scratched and dull, and we're going to bring it now up to a nice shine. After step number 2, again, same process, scrub it wet, multiple passes, wet vac it. Finally, we move to the dark green pad that you see here. So that 3-step process works extremely well for maintaining and restoring a floor unless it's completely hammered. If it's got deep scratches and grooves in it, you need to grind that floor first. But for a normal polishing where we want to just restore the surface of concrete, terrazzo, marble, travertine, you name it, this 3-pad system is phenomenal. Now there are other pads on the market that do a similar thing. There are other pad systems. Why did we go with these Bonastre pads? These are imported from Spain, and what we've found is that they just outperform other pads. We used to sell other pads here at Excellent Supply. Nothing we've found on the market is as efficient or last as long as these pads. If we turn them sideways here, you can see the color, how it permeates down the pad. So there's a thick amount of this abrasive that's on the surface of each color, whether we're dealing with the burgundy, the yellow, or the green. Wonderful system, simplifies, it makes restoring floors like NCAP simple. Finally, I wanted to show you this pad because this duo pad is absolutely remarkable. We talked about the 3-pad system. How about doing it with 1 pad? Now, you're not going to get the same level of scratch and damage removal that you get out of the 3-pad system using the duo pad. But for daily maintenance, for cleaning and shining the floor up, this will blow your mind what you can pull off with a duo pad. Now what the duo pad does, same process, you just use water, scrub the floor, wet vac the floor. But what you're going to do with the duo pad is that you're literally going to be cleaning and bringing the shine back on your floor. And some people just use this for everything now. You do need to use this more frequently because this is more restorative. This is more maintenance on the duo pad. But the duo pad is fantastic. It also increases the slip resistance of the floor. Don't ask me how, but it does. So terrific pad. The duo pad works really, really well if you want to clean, shine, maintain a hard surface floor such as terrazzo, concrete, marble, travertine, any calcium-based floor. Or if you want to take it a little deeper, you can use the 3-pad system, the burgundy, the yellow, and the dark green of the 3-pad system. Either way you go, Bonastre is going to simplify approaching taking care of these hard surface floorings and producing results that are just mind-blowingly good. So if you haven't tried the Bonastre system, give it a shot. We have the 3-pad system, also an 8-inch for the Cymex. What you're looking at here is 17-inch for a typical rotary machine or even an orbital machine. I'll put links in the description below for all of these pads. Hopefully they'll help you find ways to add revenue to your business. We're here to help you max your NCAP as well as your floor care here at Excellent Supply. Thank you for watching this episode. If you would, give us a thumbs up. Share your comments. If you have any questions about the pads, put them in the comments below, and please subscribe to our channel. Until next time, thanks for watching NCAP TV.